For these DIY, I choose two of these picture frame from Dollar Tree. They 4x6, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the inside out, everything inside, and take it out. Then I'm gonna turn the frame out, and I'm gonna take put the thing up like that, just to take the glass. So once I put everything up, I'm gonna take the glass and I'm gonna put it to the side. Then I'm gonna take a scissor and I'm just gonna pull it out like that. So it's pretty simple. It comes out pretty simple. Just pull it out one by one until you've done the whole thing. You could also pull it out by hands. You don't have to use a scissor if you don't want to. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot glue, and I'm just gonna put hot glue on the edges where the mirror goes. So I'm gonna do it all the way around. Make sure to put enough glue and don't put too much either. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place the mirror and just put the top first, and then just slide everything out, and then just press it down to attach it into place. Then I got this frame from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna go ahead and place it down. I'm gonna take the other frame and I'm just gonna measure to make sure I put it in the right measurement and the right size. Then I'm gonna take my hot glue and put some hot glue on the edges like that, and then go ahead and attach your frame to the other piece just like that. Hold it into place until it attached perfectly fine. Once it's attached, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the other picture frame. I'm gonna place it in the back like that. I'm gonna lay it down like that, and just to make sure that I'm doing it in the right size as well as the other one. Then go ahead and attach it into place the same way we did the other ones. Once we do that, I'm gonna take this small glass. I'm gonna place it in on each side, and I'm gonna place one in the middle, and then I'm gonna place another one in the other side. Then I took these rocks. I'm gonna place it inside like that to cover the part. You could do this step before you attach them together, but I just did it backward. And then go ahead and put your candle inside. This is how cute it turns out. It's so simple to do and inexpensive. This is more like a home decor, and you can use to do it as a party decor if you would like it too as well. I hope you guys like it. This is the first DIY for you guys, and this is the second one that you can use it with the flower instead of the rocks. So you decide which one you like. Now I have another ideas as well. Then I went ahead and took more the flowers, and I placed it at the bottom part like that. Just fix it however you would like it and put whatever color you're doing. Then I took some floral foam, and I'm just gonna cut it into pieces like that. And after you cut it into pieces, you're gonna put some hot glue on each side. Make sure that you don't make it too thick and you cut it a little bit thin so it doesn't show at the bottom of the frame. Then go ahead and attach it. You're gonna continue attaching your floral foam one by one until you're done doing the whole thing. Once you're done, take your flower and you're gonna attach it into place here. You can use your hot glue to attach your flower so it can stay in place as well. So just continue attaching all your flowers like that one by one. Once you're done doing the whole thing, just do some attachment at the sides as well so it won't show. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. You guys can also add up a fairy light at the bottom, and this is how cute it turns out. You could also add one on top if you would like it to show on both top and bottom. Another way that you guys can do is just put a picture. This could be a family picture. If you're doing a wedding, you could do you and your husband pictures. It's up to you how you would like to decorate. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.